bar. The bar was very nice. Storm, big up yourself. Whoa, Storm, look, your sister in her jacuzzi. She not say she have a no cash show. Love Sanders, come kiss my butt. So me I get fat. People don't say me I get fat. No, so them life you agree with me, no stress. Woo. Yes, sister, we don't have to show people what we have and where we going and where we cannot go. My sexy, nice body. Whoa, me don't want to see me, lad. The chocolate body, me just nice so. Me have a nice suntan. Woo! Bo say she have 2 dogs and bo she gonna name her blood clot dog Stormy. Drew, you gonna stop call Storm. Stormy. The woman said she gonna name one of her dog Stormy. Lady, when you see the video where you put up, you don't feel bad. In drunk, you don't feel blood clot bad. That's your word. Fretdem they on vacation. You worry about blood clot me. In dirty pussy woman. Lady, look, me and my friend, they have jacuzzi. Look. The husband is inside. Friend, show them you have a ring, my friend? No, you take it off. Yeah, we are married people. The man them come later. This is our time. Yeah, me and my friend them can go to have fun. When your friend, the dirty woman, in stinking woman, why your blood clot at I can't call my name. Look what me I do. Me I live life to the blood clot fullest. In lady, me pity them got water park. Them have fun right now. Them I don't even know where them they. Them in the fucking pool. Yeah. Them in the pool while we in the jacuzzi. Tanya, my sister, big up. Chin, my sister, big up for you there. Tanya, me not lie. Me say me get a phone call about you yesterday. Say you over rub dirty people. Tanya, me say me ear say you get the blood clot brush. And me ear say you get the pan. And when you throw them down in the blood clot thing, me ear say you rub and scrub. Me get a phone call yesterday to tell us to come off alive. And me never call my sister, tell my sister to come off like rub and scrub them dirty blood clot, yes? Yeah, rub out them dirty blood clot. Batman Berry, you forget rub from all corner. Use a blood clot germs to society. Use a not even germs, use a bacteria to blood clot society. Yes, girl. Mr. Tanya, I'm gonna come live to you know. When we get the phone call, sister, them say, Fretdem, tie up your head, put on a long dress or a long skirt, and push up 2 pencils in it, and come with 2 pot cover, and just press Kiki live. And I make Kiki invite you, and just start beat the blood clot party cover them. Me say, when them see that the pot cover there, nah lie. Them say the person was gonna have a heart attack, buried, have a blood clot heart attack. How you feel now? But you know what? Big shout out to Mimi. Mimi, do you want me to tell you say this was gonna come? Do you want me to tell you say very bad mind girl them? Do you want me to tell her that? Do you want me to tell you say very bad mind the blood clot girl them? Alright, I never lie. And Barry, don't call me name when you're cuss, because you ain't no different. You's a dog shit. Don't call me blood clot name. Me 8, 9, and 10, yo. For what you do to blood clot, call you me 8, yo. Me not lie, do all the batty business with Aisha. Me not lie, me like Aisha, and me like Batman. Macy's kind of alright. Whoa, girl, watch it, blood clot. Jacuzzi, a bubble, girl, a bubble. Whoa, to blood clot, ear blow. Whoa. Ear blow, girl, a bubble, why? Why the blood clot? If you go mad. If you go mad. Hey, you're going to be mad. Hey, you're going to be mad. Whoa, Jesus, you know, I have to show you this. Ear look. Ear. Can you do this? Ear look. Ear. When me I go back at the pool, me I go carry my blood clot for down at the pool. Look. If you can't do this, Abby. If you can't do this, Abby. Move your dirty blood clot. Girl, watch your boy. Can't talk to me. I'm a best friend, boy. That's my best friend. When you see me, you see her. When you see her, you see me. The only way you're gonna come in at this, unless we are gonna kill her in here. You me that kill your blood clot up in here, this you can't come in here. Yes, me have the best pom pom, boy. Best pom pom, best pom pom. Why, best pom pom. body. Yep. Well, I did. You have to kiss my butt today. Yep, you have to kiss my butt today. Yep, kiss off my butt to world drag crew. Kiss that. See the yep? I bet. Yep, you can't come in at this. Why? Me don't drop my phone. Why? 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 Yep, me all around. Yep, why? 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 Yep, when I come out, you say my hard and tough, my body, I go soft, no blood clot. Why? Me not like, yep, me not like, you must come out and say, Fretdem expired. Me make you clean up your house, yeah, me make you get enough new things. Yeah. Boy, you come talk about the white blood clot, wash machine, the sidewalk. Oh, you were supposed to be on sidewalk. When you did done video, I say you did have silver one now. Yeah, but better body over here. Better body over here, yeah. Better body over here. Whole particles does a bubble up. Here, move your dirty blood clot. Move your blood clot, poor looking self. Bitch, you was born a fucking raisin. A grape, now you look like a raisin, bitch. Where? You hate me, where? Move your blood clot, ugly looking. Yep, me not lie. The only thing I want to do, I want to put you over there, so yep. Yep. You see that the bush? But all you want to put you in the bush. To scare off the what you call it them. The deer them. Yeah, and the bear. Yeah, and the possum them. That's the only thing you're good for do. Move your blood clot, you ugly woman. You're ugly. You're soon going to say you have jacuzzi too. Yeah. We know you see the other video with the house now. Yeah, what else you want? You want to get a new car. Yeah. Candy Lake, why you argue with my sister Candy Lake? That's not noise. That's naughty. It's naughty. Yeah, ugly bad. Yeah, boy, you cuss all of the slim girls then. You cuss all of the slim girls. You cuss me, you cuss Diary, you cuss Stan, you cuss Candy, you cuss Soki, you cuss Tanya, you cuss everybody, nice. You don't have this like kind of nice body. Where? Yeah, better body over here. Yeah, the internet of why, yeah, my skin nice. She said my hard when I come up, me I go just soft, so. Woo. Oh, the wig is so nice. It's nice to buy human hair, you know. It's very nice to have human hair on your head, so you can't wet it up. Salt water can't go in it. You just go under the shower, just wash it back out, and then you just glue it back on, and you just gone. So sit down and watch me here. Woo. You have no blood clot choice but to watch me, dirty woman. Stinking blood clot woman, me not give you no blood clot noise. Only my blood clot jacuzzi I give you noise. Me not give you no noise, dirty woman. Nasty blood clot woman. You live for my blood clot name. Like it's a part of your saliva in your mouth. Pass my blood clot name. Belch it off of your chest, dirty woman. Yeah, woman, belch my blood clot name off. Yeah. Why you belch me name off of your blood clot? Yeah. Belch me name. Destiny Wagwan. Belch me name off of your chest, dirty woman. I don't like you. Don't worry about Fretdem. You understand? You worry about my husband. Me never see you and your man got yet. Everything. Oh, I gotta walk the dog, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. You that cause people with dogs, so what you do with dog now? In John Crow, even know my life, you did say you want it and you bad mind it and look, you never stop till you get to dog. And guess what, you still not go blood clot be me. In lady, me never see you and your husband pack up and go nowhere yet, or you picnic them. You can't take picture with your kids them as a family, you don't have to show the monkey them face. We know what animal look like already, woman. Eh? We know what animal look like. You dirty girl, can't wait for them to nab up your blood clot. Yeah, bad mind a killer and bad mind always a go kill a dirty pussy wall. She have to see me. Bad mind always gonna kill you. But anyway, people, may I talk to you later. May I go enjoy my jacuzzi. Later, guys. When I go to the pool, I will hit you guys up later. Later, it's okay. No, man. I have to show the girl jacuzzi. She says she have pool and she have all of these things. You have to show her jacuzzi. You have to show her these things. Yeah. You have to show her jacuzzi. Bad mind a killer. Yeah. Bad man a killer. She not no jacuzzi. And she will never have no jacuzzi. Suck your mother and go. Never see how you pit them a go. You claim to say your kids them can't go. All you can eat sushi. And we have Googled at the place in Canada. We can't find that. Eh? Put out your address and then you come talk about say, oh, you print something at work. Bitch, please. You only could fool people that doesn't know nothing about Canada. But guess what? It's not too hard to Google. Everybody will live in Canada always get one of them something there. To keep your documents. So you're lying and wicked. Where? Dirty woman. Strike a pose.
Once home to 85,000 babies born in Fretdem, we're also proud to have earned more than 5,500
Skin clean.
If you've been trying to be a specialist, getting started.
Later, people.